First, check all accessories. Take out 6068 anti-theft mortise. Install mortise into the door. Fix mortise by 4 screws. Now, take front panel of lock. Check all related screws and steel bars. Take out square steel bar. You can see one side has a Chinese character. Then, insert Chinese side of steel bar into the hole of front panel. Install the auxiliary screws on metal plate. Install the 2 connection tubes. Now, start to install front panel on the door. Make some adjustment. Install metal plate of backside. Pay attention, square steel bar must be in the center of hole, otherwise, the lock will be stuck. Fix screws by hand. Make some adjustment. Remind again, steel bar must be in the center of hole. Fix screws by screwdriver. Cut some part of this metal sheet, make it match with your door thickness. Connect cable to back panel. Make adjustment. Fix back panel by 4 screws. Pay attention, don't fix screws too tight at this moment. Check if each part of lock can work very well. Rotate the key in 90 degrees and calibrate the handle of lock. After checking, fix screws of backside tightly. Install 4 PCSA batteries. Check if every function is good or not.